Welcome to all of you. Now, here we are with new chapter. Okay, that is the name of that chapter is you know. Okay, metallurgy. The occurrence of metal. Okay, in before we are study about the metallurgy. Metallurgy, which is the branch of science which deals with the study of the extracting minerals, ores. Okay, that is having the profitable, and that is called purifying techniques and so on. That is the metallurgy. Okay, metal we are extract from the earth. Okay, earth is the major source of metal. Other source is the sea water. Okay, we know that things. Ore. Okay, we are study about the ore in a last video. Can you check out the video? Anybody know? Please tell the definition in comment. Okay, the extraction of metals. How to metal are extract? On the basis of metal are extract. Okay, here are three reactivity series of metals. We know that the low reactivity series, the moderate or a middle reactivity series, and a top or a high reactivity series. Okay, on the metal extraction techniques, the extraction of a metals are totally dependent on that reactivity series. Okay, metal we have obtained in a pre or combined state. We know that the least metals, the least reactive metals we are obtain, we are extract in free state. We know that silver, gold, platinum, that things are we are extract in free state, and other are in a combined state. Okay, maximum other are combined with oxygen, water, sulfides, and carbonates. Other two parts means here the top reactive series and the middle of the reactivity series that are combined with the water, oxygen, sulfides, and carbonate. Remind it. Okay, in top reactivity series there are potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium, aluminium, that metals are included. We are studying reactivity series. In a moderate reactivity series or a moderately reactivity series, the earth crust mainly find with oxides, sulfides, and carbides, same as it is. Okay, in that zinc, ferrous. Okay, the third one is least reactivity series. Okay, in the least reactivity series there are the gold, silver, platinum, that are the importance metals included. Firstly, we know the here and which metals are included in a high reactivity series: potassium, sodium, calcium, and magnesium, aluminium. Next, in a reduction using carbons means in middle reactivity series there are zinc, iron, lead, tin, and other things. Okay, here, okay, at last there are gold, silver and platinum. Okay, now you are study about the tree diagram. Firstly, we are study about the metal of a low reactivity series. There are a sulfide ore, roasting and metal and refining. Okay, that four things we are study regarding the extraction of a less reactive metals. Okay, here means a sulfides ore. How to separate the sulfide ore? Which techniques here we are used to separate the metals, that we are discussing in enrichment of the ores or extraction of the ore. Extraction metal low in activity series. Here, before that, few one definition is there. The enrichment of ore. Okay, ore mined from the earth are usually contaminated with a large amount of the impurities such as the soil, sand, and that are called gangue. Okay, the impurity must be removed from the ore prior to the extraction of the metal. The process to purify the ores, okay, to use to removing the gangues from the ore are on the basis of a different between the physical and chemical property of the gangue and the ores. Different separated techniques are according to employed, means as per the reactivity, as per the chemical properties, as per the physical property. Those techniques here we are using to separate the ores, to separate the metals from the ore. Okay, the first technique, extracting metals low in the activity series. Okay, metal low in activity series are a very unreactive. We know that the metals of the low activity or reactivity, there are copper, mercury, silver and gold. Which are that? Copper, mercury, silver and gold. Okay, the oxides of these metals can be reduced to the metal by heating along. For example, cinnabar, HGS is an ore of the mercury. Cinnabar, okay, cinnabar is an ore of mercury. When heating in air, it is first converted into mercury oxides. Mercury oxides, that is HgO. That is the mercury oxides, means HgO. Cinnabar techniques. This one reaction is okay. Here, second reaction. What happened? Cinnabar means HgS. When cinnabar is an ore of mercury, when heating in air, okay, here it was heating in air, and there is the formation or there is a conversion of the cinnabar into mercury oxide. Cinnabar into mercury oxide, HgO. HGS is converted into HgO. 2HGS is reacted with O3O2. There is the formation of 2HgO, means mercury oxides and disulfide. Okay, again mercury oxide is then reduced to mercury on further heating. Okay, mercury oxides again reduced. Okay, here when again it was heating, second reaction, in the heating process there is the formation of the mercury. Okay, when it is heating in air, it is first converted into mercuric oxide. The mercuric oxide is then reduced to mercury on the further heating. Okay, झालेली आहे. Next one, the copper, when is found as dicopper sulfate in nature, can be obtained from its ore by just heating in air. Okay, means these metals are combined in state, we know that, and that metals means mercury and copper that are combined with sulfides. Okay, presently the copper is found in mainly in the form of copper sulfate. Okay, copper sulfide, copper is obtained from the copper sulfate or just by the heating techniques. The dicopper sulfate is heated in air. Okay, that was converted into copper. Okay, 2 Cu2s plus 3O2, first reaction by heating process, 2Cu2O means copper oxides are formed. Now again that copper oxide is converted into copper. Okay, okay, only in next one, here the extraction of a less reactive metal, there is one more thing is remaining. What was that? The first, we are separating sulfides ores. Okay, roasting and last, roasting means heating. Okay, metals, and refining. What is refining? Refining metals means metal obtained by various reduction process are not a very pure. Okay, they contain impurity, and this impurity is separated. Okay, to obtain a pure metal by electrolysis method. Okay, refining means when we are removing sulfide ores, roasting. Okay, after that some impurities remain there, and that impurity is a fine, that was fined by the refining process. Okay, and there we are using the electrolysis method. Here the next one point, the extracting method in the middle of the or moderate of the activity mana reactivity series mana, that is same. Okay, the metal in the middle of the activity series such as iron, zinc, lead, copper are moderately reactive. Okay, these are usually present as sulfides and carbides in nature, we know that. Okay, the metal in the middle of reactivity series such as zinc, iron, tin, lead, and so on, moderate reactivity metals. Okay, the metals of the moderate reactivity are usually occur in the form of sulfides and carbide. or carbonates, sulfides and carbonates. There are a priority to reduction. The metal sulfides and a carbonate must be converted into metal oxides. We know that because of in a low reactivity we are study about the sulfides. Okay, that sulfides also converted into oxides, metallic oxides. The sulfides ores are converted into oxides by heating, strongly heating process in the air. Okay, presence of excess here. The process is known as roasting. We know that roasting process. The carbonate ore are changed into oxides by heating strongly in a limited air, and this process is known as calcination. Okay, calcination and roasting. Clarify kara. Okay. Firstly, we know that the moderate reactivity metals found in sulfides and carbonate form. Okay, it is easy to obtain metals from the oxides rather than sulfides and carbonates. Hence, sulfides are and carbonates ores are converted into oxides. We know that sulfides is converted into oxides, carbonate is converted into oxides by the process of roasting. Okay, or by the process of calcination. What is meant by roasting and what is meant by calcination? Okay, means there is sulfides ore are converted into oxides by heating strongly in the presence of excess air, that is roasting. Okay, in roasting process there is presence of excess air. The process of heating in the ore, okay, strongly in excess air, excess of air, that is called roasting. The process of heating the ore strongly in excess of air, okay, this is called roasting. The sulfides ores are roasted to convert into oxides. Okay, sulfide ore here, or zinc also, zinc sulfate, there is excess of oxygen. Okay, there is the formation of zinc oxide, okay, in the process of roasting. Next one, the calcination. This is the calcination, the process of heating. Same, there are roasting, also process of heating. In calcination, there is the process of heating. The process of heating the ore strongly in the limited supply of air, that is called calcination. Means here is the excess supply of ore in roasting, and in calcination there is the limited supply of the ore. What is that? Limited supply of the ore. Okay, and that is called calcination. That is called calcination. Okay, the metal oxides are then reduced to the corresponding metal by the using suitable reducing agent such as a carbon. For example, when zinc oxide is heated with carbon, zinc oxide is heated with carbon, it is reduced to metallic zinc. Zinc oxide when is reacted with carbon, there is the formation of zinc and carbon oxide. Okay, zinc and carbon, zinc and carbon oxide. Okay, here is first reaction, that is the calcination. Okay, there is the formation of zinc oxide, the carbon dioxide is removed Next reaction. Okay, in next reaction there is we are reacting. There is the reaction of a carbon, okay, suitable reducing agent, and there is the formation of zinc, metallic zinc and carbon dioxide. You are already familiar with processing of oxidation and reduction in chapter, and that was we are studying last chapter. ठीक आहे. जर कोणाला ऑक्सिडेशन आणि रिडक्शन कळालं नसेल तर डिस्क्रिप्टिव्ह लिंकमध्ये त्याच्या लिंक तुम्हाला मिळून जातील, किंवा व्हिडिओ चेक करा, त्यामध्ये ऑक्सिडेशन आणि रिडक्शनच्या लिंक बनवलेल्या आहेत, व्हिडिओ बनवलेले आहेत, ती पाहून घ्या. ठीक आहे. रिडक्शन प्रोसेस पहा. Then this zinc oxide is then reduced to zinc by using the suitable reducing agent. Okay, reaction, the suitable agent is carbon. There is the formation of carbon oxides. Beside this carbon, a reactive metal such as carbon or coke to reduce a metal oxides to the metal. Sometime displacement reaction can be also be used. The highly reactive metals such as sodium, calcium, aluminum, etc. are used to reducing agent because of they can displace metal of a lower reactive form. They are compounds. For example, when manganese dioxide is heated with aluminium powder, the following reaction takes place. Manganese dioxides with aluminium powder, okay, manganese, aluminium oxides and heat. Okay, in this reaction the aluminium undergo oxidation to form aluminium oxides, and manganese oxide is reduced to form manganese. Okay, aluminium also undergoes oxidation, and manganese oxides is reduced to form manganese. The heat release in the above reaction, okay, is so large that metal is formed in the molten state. Hence such reaction is called thermic reactions. Okay, okay, highly exothermic reaction. These displacement reaction are highly exothermic reaction. The amount of heat evolved is so large that our metals are produced in the molten state. Okay, high heat असल्यामुळं metals are so in molten state. In fact, the reaction of iron oxides with aluminium is used to join a railway track or a cracker machine's part. This reaction is known as a thermit reaction. Okay, this reaction is known as thermit. Means what is meant by thermit reaction? The heat release in the above reaction, okay, so large. Okay, means in which reaction? Manganese and aluminium. Okay, in the reaction of aluminium undergo oxidation and the form of aluminium oxide also. Okay, and the manganese oxide is reduced to form manganese. In this reaction there is the abundant heat is produced. The large that metal of is formed in the molten state, and hence such reactions are thermit reactions. Okay, Another similar example, in the thermit reaction, there is the ferrous oxides is reacted with aluminium. There is the formation of the ferrous and aluminium oxides, means ferrous undergoes reduction and aluminium undergoes oxidation. Such type of in this reaction there is exothermic reaction, thermit reaction. Okay, here one picture is there. The railway tracks also join by this reaction, thermit process. The railway track also joined by the thermit process. Extracting metals toward the top of the reactivity. Okay, this is the last point, a very important point, because of firstly I was started this point. Can you check out in video? But after that I will decide this is the important point we are taking at least and last. Okay, the metal high up in the reactivity series. Okay, the metal of high reactivity series are potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium, aluminium. That's all right. Okay, they cannot be obtained from their compounds by heating with carbon. Okay, for example, carbon cannot reduce the oxides of a sodium, magnesium, calcium, aluminium, etc. are respectively metal. This is because of these metals have a more affinity for oxygen than carbon. Why? There is more affinity for oxygen than the carbon. That's why they are not reduced. Carbon cannot be reduced the oxides of the high reactivity metals. This is because of these metals have a more affinity for oxygen than carbon. These metals are obtained by electrolytic reduction. For example, we know that, but the reactivity metals have a large capacity to form cation. Another one important point is that there is having the capacity to form the, okay, for the example, sodium, magnesium and calcium are obtained by the electrolysis of the molten chlorides. The metals are deposited at the cation, means the negatively charged electrode. Cation means negatively charged electrodes, and the metals are deposited at the, okay, cation, whereas the chlorine is liberated at the anode. Chlorine is liberated at the anode, means positively charged electrodes. The reaction are at cathode, Na plus 1 electron, there is the Na. Okay, anode, at anode 2Cl minus Cl2 2E, that is the cathode, anode, sorry, first cathode, another anode. The electrolytic reduction metals are deposited at the cathode, and non-metals are deposited at or released at the anode. Example, metal sodium, calcium, magnesium are obtained by the electrolysis process from the molten chloride salt. In this process, metal is deposited on the cathode, okay, and non-metal also deposited on anode. The electrolytic electrodes reactions during the electrolysis of a molten sodium chloride to get metallic sodium. Okay, this is the metallic sodium. we getting that metallic sodium. Okay,